Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE Quiet Comfort. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Remove them from charging case. And here we've got the left earbud, and here we've got the right earbud. Now, this is the touch surface for your earbuds. Tap once on either earbud to play pause. To increase volume, swipe up on either earbud. To decrease volume, swipe down on either earbud. To skip to next track, tap twice on either earbud. To skip to previous track, tap 3 times on either earbud. To answer calls, tap once on either earbud. To decline calls, tap twice on either earbud. To answer a second incoming call, tap once on either earbud. To decline a second call, tap twice on either earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.